Hello guys, today I had an idea to spin a wheel for two animals, and then we will evolve the first one into the second one to fill the role of that animal. Okay, so here's the wheel that we are gonna spin. So we are gonna spin for two animals, and yeah, so let's see what we get on the first one. Okay, I have no idea what this animal is, but that's pretty cool. Then we need a second one. A parrot. Very cool. Okay, so I just searched up what the first animal was, and it looks like this. Yeah, so we're gonna turn that one into a parrot. But to do that, we have to, you know, what makes a parrot a parrot? Okay, so I have decided four important things that makes a parrot a parrot. So the first one is that it's able to fly. The second one is that it eats fruits and seeds and stuff like that. The third one is something called tripedalism, which means that you have three legs. But in this case, with the parrot, it's because it uses its beak as like another limb, you could say. And the fourth one is that they are very colorful, different colors and very beautiful, right? Okay, so when I drew this, I kind of forgot that mammals could fly. I kind of forgot bats existed. So I just made it like flying squirrels, where they more like glide than fly. So I kind of like didn't uh, completely do it like I said I would, but gliding is also pretty cool, right? So yeah. Also with the thing where it has three legs, I kind of more made it so it has five legs, so it still uses its mouth as another limb, you could say. So I gave it like two big teeth. The canines are very big on this animal, so they kind of work like the beak on a parrot, so they can crack fruits and nuts with it, but also use it to like hook onto stuff. Yeah. I also gave it a big claw on each foot, which it can use to grab sticks to cling better to trees and stuff, and also to open fruits. It's pretty sharp. I made its tail shorter. Um, the animal has a pretty long tail, but I've decided to make it small, and then it's very muscular, so it can kind of use it to steer, uh, yeah, when it's flying to have better control. Um, yes, with the colors, I have decided to make it mainly orange because orange is a color that animals naturally can have, tigers and other animals. So orange is within the colors that mammals can get, and then I have give it like a green color on top, which uh, is supposed to look like iridescent, so the light kind of reflects funky and it looks rainbow like. You can see snakes and hummingbirds have iridescence, so it's not unrealistic. um, yeah, and that's the colors. Okay, so this is the final result, and I think it looks great, and this was very fun to do. So if you like this video, I'll probably do more of it. If you have any ideas for animals that I should turn into other animals, I could make a video instead of just spinning a wheel. I could take your suggestions. Uh, that would be fun. Um, Other than that, um, Please like and subscribe. Write a comment if you want. Um, uh,